White House downplays mystery drones as key lawmakers demand answers. Well, of course we should have answers. They've been out there every single night since November 18. What is going on? Key House and Senate lawmakers are demanding top federal law enforcement officials immediately brief them about mysterious drone sightings in New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania around the Philadelphia area, as the White House downplayed any potential threats to national security or the public. How are they not a national security threat? When Air Force is trying to get at them, they just disappear. Now, U.S. House Speaker Mike Johnson, Republican from Louisiana, said Thursday he expects to receive a classified briefing about the drone soon, saying it's a quandary and he's anxious to find out more. On Thursday afternoon, John Kirby, the White House spokesman on national security matters, told reporters that Homeland Security, the FBI, and state and local law enforcement have not been able to corroborate any of the reported visual sightings of the drones. Upon reviewing images of the sightings, law enforcement officials have concluded these are actually manned aircraft that are being operated lawfully, and that there have been no confirmed drone sightings in restricted airspace, Kirby said, adding that they have uncovered no malicious activity. We have no evidence at this time that these reported sightings pose a national security or public safety threat or have a foreign nexus, the White House National Security Council office told NBC News when asked about the drones. But lawmakers say that they and the public need more information after weeks of sightings in New Jersey and other states. New Jersey Senator Cory Booker and Andy Kim, and New York Senators Chuck Schumer and Kristen Gillibrand, all Democrats, sent a letter to Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas, FBI Director Chris Wray, and Federal Aviation Administration Head Michael Whitaker Thursday, demanding a briefing on the drones, or unmanned aircraft systems, UAS. The potential safety and security risk posed by these drones in civilian areas is especially pertinent considering recent drone incursions at sensitive military sites in and outside of the continental United States over the past year. Protecting civilian infrastructure, safety, and privacy, as well as military assets and personnel, will require a comprehensive response from Congress and the executive branch, the four senators wrote. For this reason, we request that the briefing you provide also include any authorities, tools, or staff your agencies may require to address these ongoing incidents and the broader security challenge posed by UAS, they continued. Senate staffers were expected to receive a briefing later Thursday, and Senator Richard Blumenthal, Democrat from Connecticut, and other senators have requested individual briefings as well. In the House, former Armed Service Chairman Adam Smith, Democrat from Washington, now the panel's ranking member, said he would be on a classified call Thursday on a number of subjects and expected the drone issue to come up. Smith asked, "When do we view these as a physical threat or even a security threat that is worthy of taking down? And we need clear answers on that," he said. Representative Josh Gottheimer, Democrat, New Jersey, a member of the Intelligence Committee, told NBC News he received briefings about the drones last week and this week. He called on law enforcement agencies to share more information with the public. Based on briefings I received from FBI, Homeland Security, and Governor, I don't think there are any immediate threats to the public, Gottheimer said in a phone interview, referring to New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, a Democrat, but the public deserves to know more, and it's up to the FBI and Homeland Security to brief the public immediately. He said this can't be the Wild West of drone activity. Murphy and other New Jersey state officials, as well as representative from Department of Homeland Security, held a briefing on the drones for local officials on Wednesday, according to those who attended. For weeks, residents have been spotting and taking videos of drones, which officials have described as commercial-grade devices and not typical hobbyist drones. Eyewitnesses, reports, and officials confirm the drones are up to 6 feet in diameter, the size of cars. That's how huge they are. Many of those videos have gone viral, racking up tens of thousands of views on social media and sparking worry among citizens. But the public grew even more alarmed on Wednesday after Representative Jeff Van Drew, a New Jersey Republican, appeared on Fox News and stated that the drones were coming from an Iranian mothership, quote unquote, off the coast, the east coast of the United States of America. He called for the drones to be shot down, and I totally agree with him. Van Drew's remarks, however, were emphatically rejected by the Pentagon. There is no Iranian ship off the coast of the United States, they said. There's no so-called mothership launching drones towards the United States, said Pentagon spokesperson Sabrina Singh, who added that these are not military drones and there is no evidence that they are originating from a foreign adversary or entity. Still, constituents are worried about the drones and are reaching out to their elected officials for answers. Listen, nobody wants unidentified drones flying over their homes, flying over their cities, over our military installations, water reservoirs, said Representative Jason Crow, Democrat from Colorado, member of the Intelligence Committee. He said, people, have a right to be concerned by that, and I share that concern, so we're going to look into it. We're going to try to get answers, and we'll go from there. So far, an all-member House briefing on the drones has not been scheduled, though some individual members have been briefed. Another Intelligence Committee member, Representative Andre Carson, Democrat from Indiana, said the hesitation of holding public hearings on the drone topic is that we don't want our adversaries watching our open hearings looking for context clues. This is from NBC News on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.